Hey guys, I'm Avil back again with another video. This time let's compare the night photography of this Galaxy M51 and Pixel 4a. Pixel devices are always known for their night photography, and whereas this Samsung M51 is obviously one of the most, I can say, value for money devices that you can buy in India at present under 25,000. So now let's compare the night photography of this M51 with this Pixel 4a, and we'll see that how significant will be the difference when you are comparing Samsung's own camera app with this Gcam from Google. Okay, so in this video, as I said, we are going to compare the NightSight and the night mode on Galaxy M51. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos, and if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So now let's check on these samples and we'll see that which one is doing better. Okay, is there any significant difference? We'll be checking on this today. So let's get started. So let's start with these two samples. Here you can see that I've got really similar results because the overall image quality, the color reproduction, the clarity, the details, even the brightness level, they're almost same. But yes, to some extent Pixel 4a has better noise reduction. Here again you can see that they're almost same, but yes, M51 has better color reproduction here and Pixel 4a has better noise reduction. But I found that here Pixel 4a has cropped the image a bit. Now you must be thinking that is there any significant difference? This is what I was wondering when I was testing these two devices. Now let me show you this. This is from M51. You can see that it's really dark and you cannot see certain things with your naked eyes that Gcam can capture. This is the example here. You can say that it is amazing because it is something like that there is some kind of artificial lighting has been done, but it was not there. Okay, this is the pure image processing done by Gcam. You just have to give it a few seconds to process the image and it can do wonders like this. You can see it here again. The image quality is fantastic. Okay, noise reduction is something that Gcam is doing far better than this Samsung app. Okay, let me show you the color reproduction now. M51 produces a bit oversaturated colors, whereas this Pixel 4a produces a bit natural, not a bit, very natural looking colors. And it's not just like it is capturing more colors or light. It is actually capturing more details. Let me show you this. Now here you can see that both are looking very similar, right? Now let me show you the difference, the noise reduction and detailing. This is from M51. You can see that it is really noisy, right? Now let me show you the photo from Pixel 4a. This is the difference. The noise reduction is fantastic, I can tell you that. Now again, let me show you another example. Here you can see that it is a really difficult situation because of the lighting from the back. Okay, but Pixel 4a does really good job here. Okay, now let me show you one thing which is better in M51 according to me, the selfies. Let me show you this. Here you can see that the selfie from M51 is looking better according to me because of the clarity, the better skin tones, and the overall color reproduction, and particularly detailing is better in the photo from M51, whereas Pixel 4a is also good, but it is having a bit yellowish looking skin tone and the detailing sharpness is missing. So selfie, I can tell you M51 is the winner. But when it comes to rear photos, NightSight does wonders, I can tell you that. So guys, let me know what is your opinion about this comparison, and if you like what you see in my videos and on my channel, let me know in the comments and show your support by subscribing to my channel. So till the next video guys, cheers.